everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to use a single property squeeze page. So I like to use these at my open houses along with a QR code. When guests come into my open house and they ask for a property flyer, what I do is I have the QR code set up for them to scan, which takes them to my squeeze page. So that way they can view the property information by scanning the QR code. And once they do that, it then inputs their information directly into my database. So now I can capture every lead that walks in the door, even if I'm busy answering questions for another guest. So if that sounds like a tool you can benefit from, follow along as I show you how to set up and use your property squeeze page. To find squeeze pages, we're going to navigate over to the main menu bar on the left side of the page, where we'll hover over the lead engine tab. From there, we're going to select build a squeeze page. This page now shows the different categories of squeeze pages that you can create. We're going to select the single property. Now from here, we're ready to input our information. So for the listing, we can input the MLS ID number or input the property address. So for example, 1521 Sunflower Court, and it populates there for us. The source right here, this tells you where the lead came from, whether you inputted it manually, whether it came across organically, or it was generated by a Facebook ad. So you want to make sure you fill that out. Hashtags is optional. It's great for connecting specific leads to a specific squeeze page. So that way you can see directly where they came from. And then right here we have the property views allowed before registration. The default is set as 2. You can set for 1, 2, 3, 5, 50, or never. After you input all the criteria here, you're ready to generate your link. You'll notice there are 2 types of links available. There's the direct link. This box will contain the full link with all of the criteria you set. So this type of link is typically required for like Google advertisements. The short link, however, is an abbreviated link. It'll take them to the same web page. However, the link is a bit shorter, which makes it usable for mediums like text messages or Twitter, where the number of characters you're allowed to use in your text box is very limited. So off to the right, you can see you can copy this to your clipboard, so that way you can save these links to a spreadsheet or text file in case if you need to use them again in the future. Or what you can do is you can scroll back up to the top and hover over this history button and click that, which will display all of your past squeeze pages, organizing them by date, name, type, area, hashtag, and so on. So there you have it. You now know how to create a single property squeeze page. By using this tool, you can effectively advertise one particular property and then track the visits and leads generated within KvCORE. Lastly, I want to mention that there are many creative ways that you can utilize this tool. I've shared with you one of my favorite ways. Let me know in the comment section how you like to use your single property squeeze pages. And until the next time, keep KvCORE in your path.